Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can delete your Facebook page, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to delete your Facebook page on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to facebook.com, and then here you're going to click onto your account. You're going to click onto the page that you want to delete. So click on it, and then once you're logged in as your page, you're going to click onto your account again, go into settings and privacy, click onto settings. And then once you're here, you're going to scroll down until you find access and control. Click onto that. Here you have these three options. You're going to click onto delete page. You're going to click continue on here. Once you click on continue on here again, that should delete your Facebook page. So there you have it, guys. That's how easy it was to delete your Facebook page. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.